Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing why I upgraded from the Apple Watch Ultra 2 to the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3. That's this black right here. This beauty right here. And this is the Titanium Ultra 2 on the right. I had it since it came out. But also, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell y'all my personal story so you'll understand why I upgraded, and I will continue to upgrade. I love the Ultra 2, but a few key upgrades in the Ultra 3 made the switch worth it, especially if you're into performance, health tracking, and future-proofing. Come on now. First up is the display. The Ultra screen is brighter and more responsive in outdoor conditions. For someone who runs, hikes a lot, the extra visibility is indirect sunlight makes a huge difference. I also have a matte privacy screen protector on here as well. I don't know if you guys could tell. You could tell right there, matte screen protector. Barely any glare compared to this. See that? Yeah, but I love that. But let's get back to it. Performance and battery life. The new S10 chip makes the Ultra 3 noticeably snappier. Apps launch faster, animations are smoother, the watch feels more future-ready, battery life is roughly the same, but the optimized efficiency keeps GPS and workout tracking super reliable. Health and fitness upgrades, they're beautiful. Apple refined health tracking with more accurate health rate and new sensors for better reactivity insights. I also appreciate the improved GPS precision, which is fantastic for outdoor workouts and adventure trips. Why I upgraded. Ultimately, I upgraded because I wanted the absolute best Apple Watch experience today for the next few years. The speed, display, and health tracking improvements made it work for me. If you already have an Ultra 2, I'm telling you, it's worth upgrading. It might not be to you. You might not see the key features, but let me tell you my personal story. It was 2 years ago. I was at my job working, and I got in an accident where I became unconscious. And when I became unconscious, you would think my job would contact emergency services like the police, fire department, ambulance. No, my job contact nobody. Nobody was contacted by my job. You know who contact the authorities, the ambulance and everybody? Good old Apple Watch. Good old Apple Watch. And they talk about, okay, it has 6 hours more of battery life. It has 42 hours of battery life. Let me ask you a question. If your life depended on it, would you regret not purchasing it just because it's 6 hours of battery life? The more battery life, the better for me. You know how many times I'm going to the gym and I have to wait just to charge my Apple Watch Ultra 2. I have to wait. But now I no longer have to wait. 15 minutes on this. 15 minutes on this. I get 12 hours. I'm out the door. I'm out the door. But like I said, if you already have an Ultra 2 and you're happy, you can probably wait. But if you want the latest performance and plan to keep your watch for a while, the Ultra 3 is the move. Drop a comment and let me know if you're thinking of upgrading. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Peace.